Every repair technician knows that moment, when traditional methods aren't enough. When you're stuck, frustrated, wondering if there's a better way. Hours turned to days, simple repairs became mountains, until one day everything changed. There's a secret language in every device, a map that transforms confusion into clarity. The power of schematic diagrams. Every master needs the right tools. Precision instruments paired with digital intelligence. Power through understanding. Transform guesswork into certainty. Random attempts into systematic success. This is the future of repair. 10 days to master what others struggle with for years. Each day brings new power. Each lesson transforms ability. This isn't just about fixing phones. It's about transforming your entire approach, becoming something more. Your journey to repair mastery starts now. Join us. Transform your skills. Become the expert you were meant to be.